guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually going to do a review today on a celebrity fragrance, and it is none other than Katy Perry Indi. This was a super affordable fragrance. I was on the Lisa's pop-up site, which anyone who lives in Toronto or, well, Canada can order from them and have it shipped. It's an amazing warehouse in Toronto. I haven't personally been myself, but they do the most incredible deals, and they open up probably 2 or 3 times a year to shipping, but mostly it's a warehouse. You walk in and you go in and you buy them there, or you can pick them up. During COVID, you could pick fragrances up curbside, pay for them, and then just pick them up. But I haven't been myself because it's probably an hour and a half from me at least to drive in there, and yeah, I would just go completely crazy. So so I was on the site, and they sent me an email saying that they were shutting down the online site, and that's where I get my haute couture, and they do a lot of unboxed fragrances. This was an unboxed fragrance, but it's not a tester, so that's nice. So they do a lot of unboxed fragrances, and they're at a fraction of the cost. Now, haute couture on there, because I bought another one, is, I believe it's $54 for the EDT for 100 ml. No, that's an unheard of price. That's Canadian dollars. And so I was ordering that, and I was ordering a couple of other things. And then I saw this, and someone, please comment if you're watching this video, someone was talking about it the other day. And I thought, oh, that sounds really nice. And I thought, but it's a celebrity fragrance, and I'm not spending, $20 or $30 on a celebrity fragrance and then not like it. But this was $9 for an unboxed, and it still comes in a box. It actually comes in like a plastic kind of see-through box. It just doesn't come in the fancy box that slides up and on. I've seen the box for this. So I was ordering that, and I thought, I'm just going to throw it in my cart. It's $9. What's the big deal? If I don't like it, it's a celebrity fragrance. Nora will love it. And this was actually launched in 2017, and it's a musky floral. And I'm going to tell you the notes. This is musk on musk on musk. And I thought, now this could be really dirty. This could be, and I don't like dirty musk. But it's not, guys. It's not. No, it's not huge longevity or anything, but it did last me about 5 or 6 hours, which was not bad. And it opens with a light and fruity top, notes of plum. Just want to spray it again just to get it. And it's sweet. It's candy sweet, kind of a plum. It's got bergamot, and then it's got the white tea, it says. So although it first sprays with the plum and the sweetness, like there's like a sugary sweetness in there, that's only for a fleeting second, in my opinion. That's what I get, and then the bergamot hits in, so it gives it that kind of that fresh kind of smell, and then the tea kicks in, gives it that freshness as well. Then it goes into Lily of the Valley. I get no Lily of the Valley. Honestly, there's no Lily of the Valley in this at all. And then it goes from that into just layers and layers and layers and layers of various musks. And I have to read these musks to you guys, because, sorry, I'm looking down. It's got white musk, black musk, Egyptian musk, an island musk, and they all come together with warm amber and tonka bean to complete the fragrance. This is lovely, guys. It's not groundbreaking. It's not like, it's not like the best celebrity fragrance out there, but it's lovely, and I was pleasantly surprised. I really like it. Now, when you put it on your skin, in the air you don't smell the alcohol, but when you put it on your skin, alcohol hits you, and it's potent, but it's for a second. It's literally a second, and it's alcohol, and then it's gone. And then it's plum, bergamot, kind of sticky sweet, and then it goes into the tea, and then the musk dries down to just a beautiful, soft, powdery musk. It is not a dirty musk. It's gorgeous. Doesn't last, as I say, it doesn't last a long time. If you have super dry skin and you're not moisturized, it may only last a couple hours on you. But on my skin, it's well moisturized. It lasts me about 4 to 5 hours, so that's not bad. So I just wanted to introduce you to cheapy. Shouldn't say cheapy. Someone told me not to say cheapy. I was told off for saying cheapy, and you know who you are. And I'm not going to call you out, but you know who you are. I'm not going to call you out. It's not a cheapy. It's an affordable fragrance. And this bottle, hey guys, look at this bottle. It's gorgeous. It's like a solid white glass. The bottle, the lid is tight. It will not come off ever. Look at it. It's beautiful. It is plastic, but it's a nice bottle. So this is 50 ml. And yeah, guys, I love it. I think it's lovely. So who has it? What do you think of it? Is my description about right? Or what do you smell in it? Make a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you all to bits. So glad to be back, and looking forward to the warmer weather and watching your videos. And I love to watch your videos, and I love to see what everybody else writes down. I'm super nosy like that, but I just love it. And then I go in and I make my comments on their comments, and you know the gist. You know the gist. If you know me, you know me. So thanks again, guys. See you all on the next video. And as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle.